Hey everyone, ever heard of Microsoft 365 and wondered, what exactly is it? You're not alone. It can seem a bit confusing, but think of it as your ultimate digital toolkit. Remember the good old days of buying Microsoft Office on a CD-ROM? You'd install it once, own that version forever, and get basic programs like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Well, Microsoft 365 is the modern evolution of that, but much, much more. At its core, Microsoft 365 is still your familiar Word for documents, Excel for spreadsheets, and PowerPoint for presentations. But instead of buying it once, it's a subscription service, like Netflix for your software. This means you always get the latest versions and new features automatically. But here's where it gets really exciting. Microsoft 365 isn't just about those apps. It includes huge cloud storage with OneDrive, usually 1 terabyte per user, so you can save your files online and access them anywhere on any device. You also get Outlook for email and calendars, and Microsoft Teams for chat and video calls, making collaboration super easy. Plus, it often comes with enhanced security features to help protect your data. So what's the big benefit for you? Universal access. Work from your computer, tablet, or phone, your files are always with you. Real-time collaboration means you can work on documents with others simultaneously. And because it's always updated, you're always using the best and most secure version available. It's truly designed to boost your productivity. In a nutshell, Microsoft 365 is a powerful, flexible, and constantly evolving suite of tools that helps you get things done, stay connected, and keep your data safe, all through a convenient subscription. It's your all-in-one digital assistant. Subscribe for more fun facts.